I mean, it's cute for somebody, but maybe just not for me. It's a lot of hair, y'all. It's a lot of hair. They did go in and pluck it out, but I do feel like it could definitely use some work.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, van taking it easy like poco a poco.
Feeling my fate, I'm immersing my sound. Fearing the hate to create the compound. Dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay, so you know I'm around.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I am Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a unit from the Janet Melt collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Logan and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked. It does also have baby hairs, and it does come with this curved right side part, honey. I don't usually do the right side part, so this is different for me, but I just wanted to pop it on and see what it was looking like, and I am kind of digging it, but I don't know. So let me just come in and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. It's not awful, but it's also not the best in my opinion. They did go in and pluck it out, but I do feel like it could definitely use some work. Now the texture on this one, as you guys are probably seeing, this is giving like a blown out yaki sort of vibe. The texture on it is pretty soft. As you can see, the curl pattern, it's sort of curled at the bottom and a little bit straight wavy at the top, if that makes sense. I kind of am digging this, but I do wish the curls were all throughout the way that they are at the bottom, because the bottom is very, very curly. It's gorgeous, but it's just something like different. Honestly, I'm not really used to this curl pattern at all. I don't think I've actually ever seen this one. This is definitely giving like natural blowout sort of vibe, so I kind of do like that. The density on this one is definitely on the fuller side, you guys. This is all the hair to the front. It's sitting between 150 to 180%. I want to say it's closer to 150% density. It's definitely not too much hair. So the length on this one, it's a pretty nice length. You could stretch out the curls and you'll definitely get some more length going, but I kind of like where it's sitting. It's sitting at just about my shoulders, and I am 5'3" for reference. So it definitely is a natural length, which I am here for. I feel like they didn't do too much in that aspect of it. It does come with some baby hairs that I did go in swoop. This one also is transparent Swiss HD lace, so I do like the lace. As you can see, that parting space is looking pretty swell. Now the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly. I did have to go in on this one and adjust the straps, and as you guys do know, my head is on the smaller to medium size, and it's fitting my head very snug. Once I did adjust the straps, I'm just wearing my stocking cap and it's fitting my head very snug. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. I wish that it was a little bit more plucked. I feel like with the Janet Melt collection, they definitely do a wonderful job at plucking out their units, but I feel like this one is more so lightly plucked. So I do just wish they went in and plucked it a little bit more, honestly, and that's probably the only con that I have with this unit. My pros on it are, I do like the style. I feel like it's very different. The texture on it is gorgeous. I do feel like they're doing a wonderful job at mimicking African American, black girl hair. You know how we do. They're doing a really good job at mimicking that sort of hair pattern, hair texture, so I definitely do like that. The density on it is really nice. I'm loving the volume that this is giving me. The curls are really gorgeous. I did go in and add some of this coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner. And I picked this up from Amazon just to sort of kind of define the curls at the top a little bit more, because I wanted to give more of a like a wavy into a curl sort of vibe, and it did take the product really nicely. As a whole, I do feel like this is a cute unit, you guys, especially if you're looking for something different. If you really like units that give you like a natural sort of hair texture, I highly would suggest this one. And honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units I'm going to pick up and any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.